Step inside one of the most breathtaking and innovative homes of the year. This is truly a contemporary masterpiece. Whether you're seeking inspiration, looking to explore the latest trends in home building, or just love beautiful architecture, this is a perfect opportunity to see it all. This home was featured in the 2024 Parade of Homes in Garden Ridge, Texas, and it is currently on the market, so this is a great option for you if you're looking for luxury in the state of Texas. This home is a stunning blend of elegance and comfort, designed for seamless indoor and outdoor living. Boasting a spacious open floor plan with soaring ceilings, this luxurious residence features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths, creating the perfect balance for practicality and sophistication. Custom cabinetry and exquisite oak wood floors highlight the home's attention to detail, while unique spaces like the Speakeasy, media room, and game room add a touch of fun and relaxation. Not to mention an expansive outdoor retreat, complete with a negative edge pool, pickleball court, and ample space to unwind under the shade of the mature trees. You have access to all of that from your bedroom, and you have your luxurious primary bathroom, a beautiful freestanding bathtub, and one of the features that I like is that you have your gym connected to your bathroom, so that way you can exercise, and then you have some sliding doors that take you to the pool and backyard, so you can run, you can jump in the pool, and then come back and take a shower right here. It's a beautiful space, plenty of room, and it is connected to this amazing closet, lots of storage all the way to the ceiling, and you have your laundry right next to your closet for convenience. So it is amazing, an amazing layout, single story home, of course, and over 4,000 square feet of living space. This is a special shower for your pets. It's amazing. Lots of storage and room for your laundry. And right next to the laundry, you're gonna have another huge bedroom with its own full bathroom, making it very convenient for friends and family to stay over. This leads you back to your amazing open concept, your living room, your kitchen, your dining room, and your office. They're all here. So while you look at this beautiful kitchen, let me tell you a little bit about the city. Garden Ridge is right in between San Antonio and New Braunfels. It's actually just 20 miles away from downtown San Antonio and 11 miles away from New Braunfels, making it very convenient. There's a lot of things to do. It is a beautiful town. A lot of people move here because it is far away for you to have more privacy, more land, breathtaking views of the hill country, and it's still close enough to everything for you to enjoy the city life and enjoy your privacy here in this community. 1 acre plus lots. You don't really need to go anywhere to be entertained. This home has it all. It has a bar that I'll show you right now. It's probably one of my favorite features of this home. The Speakeasy, they call it. It's more of a bar, like a man cave kind of thing. You're gonna love it. So I'm gonna be quiet now and let you enjoy this home tour. Let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to guide you and help you find your dream home here in San Antonio, Texas, or surrounding areas. I'm always a call or text away. I'm happy to help you. My name is Victor Solar. I'm your Texas Realtor. I would love to be a resource for you, and I would love to answer any questions you may have to facilitate your move to San Antonio or surrounding areas. Oh, and one more thing, very important, también hablamos español. Con gusto te podemos ayudar aquí en tu idioma a encontrar la casa de tus sueños en San Antonio o áreas circunvecinas. Conocemos todas estas áreas muy bien y te podemos encontrar la mejor oferta, el mejor precio, para que puedas disfrutar de la casa de tus sueños con tu familia y amigos aquí en esta área de San Antonio. And by the way, it is a perfect time to buy a home. Buyers have a lot of leverage right now in this market. For instance, this builder is willing to entertain offers. So let me know. Right now, the asking price is $1.999, almost $2 million. So they are willing to entertain offers. So why not? Let me help you negotiate and find you the best deal and terms for you to enjoy this beautiful home in Garden Ridge, Texas. Take a look at this beautiful lot. It is the perfect place to entertain. You have your negative edge pool, your pickleball court, 1 acre of land, and we haven't even seen the garage and the bar, which is probably one of my favorite features of this home. So take advantage while it's here. $2 million home. Let me help you negotiate. Here's my phone number and contact information. If you would like to come see this home in person, let me know. I'm happy to schedule an appointment for you and go over all the details. I am happy to help. Once again, thank you for watching, and stay until the end because we're headed now to the Speakeasy. So I'm gonna be quiet now. I hope to hear from you soon, and if I don't, I wish you the best. Hopefully we can all accomplish our goals this year. I'm here to help. God bless.